Good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you fit and fine. Your hope and your study going well. Student, today we will discuss about the weeks of some birds and the feet and clays. Okay, just like the curved beak. Which bird have the curved beak? All of you knowing very well. A parrot's curved beak help it to eat and fruits. Parrot have the curved beak or its beak help it to eat hard fruits, seeds and nuts. This curved beak also help it to climb the trees. Okay, the fact of this one that one the first bird domesticated for the humans was goose and chickens make the 200 distinct noises for the communicate. They are using the different noise for communicate. Okay. Second one is the strong and cheese shaped beak. The woodpecker has the strong and chisel shaped beak. This type of the beak helps it to make hole in the tree trunks and take out insect for its food. Okay. Next one, beak of sunbird. Long and slender beak. Sunbird have the long and slender beak as you see here. Long and slender beak. Okay. Now the sunbird hoops have the long and slender beak. They use their beak to dig holes in the ground and pull out the insects. Next one, the beak of duck. Broad and flat beak. The broad and flat beak of the duck has tiny holes on its side, and ducks take a water along with insect, worms, water plants, and water drains out through the tiny holes, leaving the insect and the plants inside. And swans also have the broad and flat beak. Broad and short beak. A swallows have the short and broad beak, which is the strictly from inside. When its pilots keep the beak open to catch the flying insects. Okay. Now feet and claves. Feet and claves of birds. The bird possesses 2 feet, 4 toes in each foot. How many? Birds have the 2 feet with 4 toes in each foot. Okay, yani in each foot they have the 4 toes. They use their feet to move, hunt for the food, to protect themselves from the enemies. How can they use their feet? They use their feet to move. First thing for move, second for hunt for food and protect themselves from enemies. Okay, they use their feet for these work, and they use their claves. They use their claves or they use their claves help them to climb and sit on tree. Flesh eating birds. Birds of the prey like the eagle and the falcon have the sharp and curved claws, have the talons, and which are used for the grip small animals like the toad and rats. Okay. Perching birds like the sparrow, crow, and Minnows have the 3 toes in front and one at back. They also have the 4 toes, but 3 in front and one at back. And these toes help to bird to hold on firmly to the branch or a tree. Sketching birds. Hens have the strong legs with 3 toes in front and one at the back. Their toes have the sharp, hard ribs and which help them to scratch and dig the ground in order to search out insects and the rich seeds. Climbing birds. Birds like the woodpecker and parakeets have 2 toes pointing upward and the other two pointing downward. These help them to the climb and cling to tree. Swimming birds. feet of the duck and swan are webbed between the toes. Their webbed feet help them to push water backward while swimming. Okay, so student, read the chapter properly and learn the book exercise. Okay, now stop the today's topic here. Thank you. God bless you.